If you take portrait photography, you have to master the science of directing poses. Hi, I'm Guti, photographer and professional instructor with 20 years of experience, and like you, one of the greatest difficulties I've had in my career as a photographer is directing the best poses for my customers. You can master the camera, lighting, composition, editing, but if your customer poses aren't good, your photos won't be either. That's what I've dedicated my last 2 years to develop for you, Master Poses. This collection has been a huge success in Spanish, and now I bring it to you in English. With 13 professional books and more than 5,500 poses for every situation, this is the collection that will make you an expert in directing poses for women, men, couples, brides, families, quinceañeras, pregnant, children, boudoir, swimwear, love stories, fashion, and you will not only learn by examples, but also all my secrets. If you take portraits, you need Master Poses by Guti.